Today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve iCloud sync issues. So the first thing you may want to check is your internet connection. Make sure that you are connected to a stable and strong internet connection, may it be on Wi-Fi or mobile data, because iCloud needs a stable connection. The next thing you may want to check in your settings is your phone's storage. So head over to General, then go to iPhone storage and see if your storage is full. When your storage is full, syncing stops. Make sure that you delete old backups or upgrade your storage. Next is you have to make sure that sync toggles are on. On your settings page, head over to iCloud and here make sure that sync are turned on for photos, contacts, notes, and messages or whatever it is that isn't updating. Lastly, try signing out and signing back in to your Apple account. This actually refreshes your iCloud connection. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!